Rebuilding from Ruins, a journey of renewal. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful and inspiring phrase, rebuilding from ruins. This expression isn't just about construction or architecture. It's a metaphor for overcoming adversity and starting anew. Whether you're learning English for personal growth, academic success, or professional development, understanding such phrases enriches your language skills and cultural comprehension. So, let's explore what it means to rebuild from ruins, and how this concept can inspire us in everyday life. Rebuilding from ruins is a phrase that paints a vivid picture. Ruins refer to the remains of something that has been destroyed or broken down. This can be physical, like buildings after a disaster, or symbolic, representing aspects of our lives that have faced setbacks, such as lost opportunities, failed relationships, or personal losses. To rebuild means to construct something again that has been damaged or destroyed. When we talk about rebuilding from ruins, we're talking about taking what remains from a situation of destruction or failure and using it as a foundation to build something new and better. It's a process of recovery, transformation, and hope. This phrase is rich in symbolic meaning and can be applied to many areas of life. It embodies resilience, the ability to bounce back from setbacks, failures, or disasters. In literature, movies, and everyday conversations, it serves as a powerful metaphor for personal growth and renewal. For instance, after losing a job, a ruin, one might use the experience to reassess their career path and rebuild their professional life with a new vision or goal in mind. It signifies not just the act of rebuilding, but also the strength, learning, and growth that come from the experience. Let's look at some real-life examples to illustrate this concept. After natural disasters, communities that have been hit by earthquakes, floods, or hurricanes often face the literal task of rebuilding homes and infrastructure. But beyond the physical rebuilding, there's a communal and emotional recovery, showing the human spirit's resilience. Personal challenges. Someone overcoming a severe illness or personal loss might use the term to describe their journey towards emotional healing and finding a new normal. Professional setbacks. Entrepreneurs whose businesses have failed often have to rebuild from the financial and emotional ruins, using their learned lessons as a foundation for future success. Rebuilding from ruins is more than just a phrase. It's a testament to human resilience and the capacity for renewal. It teaches us that even in the face of destruction or failure, there's always an opportunity to create something new, often better and stronger than what existed before. We hope this exploration has inspired you to see the ruins in your life not as the end, but as the beginning of a new chapter. Thank you for watching, and remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you in our next video.